Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is about Instagram hacks you might have not known. So without further ado, let's get started. I know you do not just want to see me blabbering. So let's go. Go to your Instagram DMs, click the plus icon and the saved replies. You can send these replies to your customers who ask the same frequently asked questions. This is amazing. You are not wasting a lot of time copying and writing the same thing. To add a voiceover, simply go to your reel, click on edit. Now click on this audio option and press on the audio, and now record whatever you want to audio record it. And here is how you can do a voiceover. To your stories, if you move to the right, you will see this pop up. Now you can add images while you're talking. Just go click on add media, add a selfie of your choice. You can even change the shape of these selfie. Look how cool is it. If you want to change it, just click on change media, and now you can change the image. A quick little Instagram hack for you if you want to see how many of your followers are online. Simply go to the stories option, slide through the live section, and now you can see how many of your followers are online, and you can decide if you want to post right now or later. Are you unable to find audio using the Instagram audio library? Well, here is a hack for you. Whenever you go through your Instagram explore field, make sure to save the audio instead of searching for it. This way you have the video ideas, audio ideas in your mind. In the next time you're creating reel, you know exactly that the audio is saved in your Instagram saved option. Go to your stories. Now you can slide through the right and search this window filter. You can add a photo to the side just like this. You can add any photo. Now you can drag, and you can even do a talking video just like this, what I'm talking about. You can add a small and adjust everything to your size with the green screen and you talking in the video. If you want to find filters, slide to your stories, go over these stories. Now slide extremely right until you find browse effects, click on it, and now you can find a lot of effects. You can even search or even choose from these categories over here. Go to remix this reel option. Now you can record your video or upload your video. Once you have done that, you can see the 3-bar option. You can mix and match your audio with the other audio, or even you can create a voiceover. So those were the hacks. I will be creating more such videos for you guys in the future. Make sure to stay subscribed because I post a lot of Instagram tips, YouTube tips, social media marketing tips around here. So you definitely do not want to miss that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.